Hello everyone. Today we are working on a upgrade of EVault to 8.61, and during the upgrade we run into this error code 0x84BC0666, and that is an issue during the SQL portion of the upgrade. The important thing to remember during this part is that we want the director to fully roll back on its own. So I'm going to hit OK here. We'll see that it's supporting rolling back. Now this can take a little bit of time, and so I'm going to go ahead and skip forward to when this is finished. Okay, so let's roll this back to 8.50. Now the main issue here is if we go into the programs and features, we can see here that we have C++ 2017 redistributable, and I'll go ahead and expand this. We can see version 14.16. The problem is that the SQL that's bundled is trying to look for 14.0, and it sees this one and it fails out. Microsoft has a fix for this in a newer version of SQL. Now the workaround for this is to install the Visual C++ redistributable that is the cumulative update 2015 to 2022. And I'll put a link to the direct download for that in the description below, or you can go ahead and Google that. But I've already got it downloaded, so I'm going to kick that off. As we can see here, it is 14.31, and because it is the cumulative update where it's got everything from the older versions to the newer, the installer for 8.61 recognizes that, and then we'll continue the installation without issue. And of course, pending reboot, every time that you do a big change like that, this is something that we will have to do a pending reboot for. There's potentially ways that you could bypass this, but you will run into issues later if you do not do the reboot. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. All right, we are back from our reboot, and we're going to go ahead and kick off that 8.61 installer again. And then we're going to make our way through this wizard for the upgrade. And this is the part that you would see where it comes up with that error. It does come up fairly quickly to it. And so if you're seeing this continue on, it can take a little bit of time, especially if the server is a little bit busier, just because the SQL portion is a big chunk of the install. And there we have it. We are complete for the upgrade, and it went through this time without any issues. I'll go ahead and pull open the console here so that we can see that it did load up just fine.